In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. We're assuming that you're already a bit familiar with Asana and you have an active account. To get started, make sure you're logged into Asana. Take a moment to navigate to your project dashboard where all your tasks are listed. It's important that you have at least one task ready to go, as we're going to convert this task into a subtask. Once you're in Asana and comfortable with your dashboard, find the task you want to turn into a subtask. This task should already exist in your task list. When you're ready, click on the task to open up its details. You should see a panel on the right side of your screen displaying all the specifics of the task you've selected. In this panel, you'll notice a variety of options and information, such as the task description, due date, assignees, and so on. This is where you'll manage everything related to that task. Now take a look at the left side of the task's detail panel. You'll see an icon with 6 vertical dots. This is the drag and drop handle that will allow you to organize your tasks. Click and hold on this icon. While you're holding it, carefully drag this task downwards towards the bottom of your panel. You're looking for a spot labeled Add Subtask. It's crucial that you drag the task directly over this section. Once you're hovering over Add Subtask, simply release your mouse button. Instantly, you'll see that your previously standalone task is now nestled underneath another task in your list, officially making it a subtask. This transformation is handy for organizing your projects efficiently, especially when you want to break down larger tasks into more manageable components. Also, subtasks are a great way to assign parts of a task to different team members while keeping everything neatly contained under one overarching task. Remember that converting to a subtask doesn't alter any of the content or key details of the original task, so it remains just as accessible and editable as before. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your workload in Asana by turning tasks into subtasks. This method can drastically improve the way you visualize and tackle larger projects, as it allows you more nuance in the way tasks are structured and managed. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to follow along with future tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this, ensuring that you can continue to master your productivity tools with ease. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.